Have you ever gazed up a towering skyscraper, dwarfed by its immense scale, and wondered, why is this building so tall? Throughout history, human ambition has driven us to push boundaries, and architecture is no exception. Skyscrapers have become a defining feature of modern metropolises. But what compels countries and cities to engage in this global skyscraper race? Welcome to Do Academy. Today, we'll delve into the complex interplay of economic forces, technological advancements, and urban aspirations that fuel this fascinating phenomenon. Let's begin by dissecting the economic and aspirational forces that propel these sky-high ambitions. In a world with rapidly growing urban populations, megacities constantly grapple with limited land. Skyscrapers offer a solution by maximizing usable space. Imagine consolidating an entire business district into a single vertical tower. This not only provides valuable office space, but also creates prime real estate for residential units, hotels, and retail outlets, generating significant rental income and boosting the city's tax base. Studies by the international body, Council on Tall Buildings and Urban Habitat, indicate that tall buildings can attract major corporations seeking a prestigious address, further stimulating economic activity. Dubai's Burj Khalifa, for example, is credited with transforming the city into a global financial hub, attracting international investment and tourism dollars. However, the allure extends beyond economics. Cities also compete for a coveted spot on the global stage. A record-breaking skyscraper becomes a landmark, a symbol of a city's dynamism and ambition. Imagine the iconic New York City skyline without the Empire State Building. These architectural giants create a sense of pride for residents and attract tourists eager to witness these engineering marvels firsthand. A 2018 study by the World Economic Forum found a positive correlation between the construction of mega tall buildings and a rise in tourism in those cities. Even the Lot World Tower in Seoul have become a major tourist destination, generating significant revenue for the city. The story goes beyond economics and urban aspirations. Skyscrapers have become potent symbols of national technological prowess. These architectural marvels showcase a country's ability to innovate and push the boundaries of engineering and construction. The complex materials used, the advanced wind-resistant techniques employed, and the sheer logistical feat of constructing such giants all contribute to a nation's prestige. Think of them as giant symbols to human ingenuity, inspiring future generations of engineers and architects. The Shanghai Tower, with its twisting form and world record elevators, stand as a testament to China's cutting-edge capabilities. This drive to outdo each other on the world stage fuels innovation. The desire to build the tallest skyscraper pushes the boundaries of what's possible in design, engineering, and construction. New, lighter, and stronger materials are constantly being developed to meet the demands of ever greater heights. Wind tunnel testing and advanced computer modeling help engineers create structures that can withstand powerful winds and seismic activity. These advancements can then be applied to other types of construction projects, leading to safer and more durable buildings for everyone. The impact of skyscrapers extends beyond economics and national pride too. These towering structures can significantly influence the social fabric of a city. On the positive side, skyscrapers can create vibrant mixed-use communities where residents can live, work, and play all within walking distance. This can reduce reliance on personal vehicles, improve air quality, and foster a stronger sense of community. Additionally, these vertical cities can offer improved public transportation options and amenities, attracting a diverse range of residents. However, there are also potential downsides. Large-scale skyscraper developments can displace existing communities and businesses, leading to gentrification and social inequality. The influx of new residents can also strain public services and infrastructure, creating challenges such as traffic congestion and potentially overshadowing important historic areas. The environmental impact of these massive projects can also be substantial. The sheer amount of steel, concrete, and glass used in construction can have a significant carbon footprint. The energy required to power and maintain these buildings can be a major strain on a city's resources. Some would argue that these projects divert resources away from more pressing social needs like affordable housing and public transportation infrastructure. The future of skyscrapers is not just about reaching for the stars, but about reaching for a balance between ambition and responsibility. By embracing sustainable design principles, focusing on functionality and community well-being, and prioritizing the human experience, These architectural giants can continue to be symbols of progress, not just in terms of height, but also in terms of innovation and environmental responsibility. What type of features would you like to see in the skyscrapers of tomorrow? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Be sure to like, share, and follow Do Academy for more actionable investment insights.